Hi, I'm Colter David Armando Paulson-Kevich.
I'm Kevin James Gregory Jobby.
I'm Tanner Osborne.
And welcome to
Patriot Podcast.
This is the first episode. Today, we're going to be discussing conspiracy theories, specifically the Flat Earth conspiracy theory.
Or as I call it, the Flat Earth fact.
What do you think, Tanner?
Personally, I believe the Earth has been flat ever since existence. As I like to say it, the Flirth.
The Flirth. Yeah, no, that's a good acronym. I agree with that. You know, I actually have some proof that the Earth is flat.
You have proof?
I do. So you know all those videos of the astronauts up in space at the ISS? And they're all they're recording on YouTube. That's not real.
Yeah.
Extremely fake.
This
Photoshop.
evidence that the government preaches is not real.
They've been brainwashing us ever since the beginning of time.
The government is lying to you. Now, let's discuss the history of the Flat Earth theory. Or the Flat Earth fact, as I like to call it.
Of course.
Now, my buddy here, Colter David, he's actually an expert in the field, so please tell
Yeah,
me.
I'm actually a very big historian, specifically specifying in the Flat Earth fact. So there was this guy named Copernicus, right?
Huge fan.
Huge fan of Copernicus, even though he's kind of a liar. He thought that the Earth was round. And his buddy Aristotle did too. They're all liars. They were paid out by the government.
By the government.
By the government.
So
They're
let's
liars.
talk the logistics of a Flat Earth. Now, do you believe in God, Colter?
Yeah, all the time.
Obviously. So, when God created man and the earth, which is flat?
The Flirth.
The Flirth.
The Flirth. So, he kind of put out the dough, kind of like a pizza.
Like a pizza.
And
like
do you
a
know
pizza.
what most pizzas are shaped like?
Squares. Or circles.
Circles. So, he had a flat circle, and he threw it up in the air. Just like you
Spin
make
it
a
around
pizza.
like a pizza.
Just like you make a pizza.
Exactly.
So, let's say hypothetically, I were to drop an object. So,
Hypothetically.
in the studio, I just dropped my phone, and it fell to the ground. Now, some people say this is gravity, and that we have evidence, but that's just another one.
Bogus.
Of the government's lies.
Kevin, I actually think I know what you're going to say here.
Yeah.
Because I exactly believe
You
what you're
understand
going
the
to
theory.
say. Gravity's not real. The Earth moved up to catch your phone.
The Earth moved. Some people say the phone moved down to the Earth. That is a lie.
Lies.
I was going to say we think, but we actually know.
We know that the Earth is flat.
This
and
is
showed
the
you.
truth.
Now, let's say hypothetically, there's all this water around the Earth. Why doesn't it
Disgusting.
fall off? Across the perimeter of the Earth,
There's
there
an
is
ice crust.
Ice, massive mountains of ice.
It's been
called
there since the beginning of
Antarctica.
time.
And you know
That
what this
keeps
is
the
like?
water from falling off.
Do you know what this is like, people? A pizza!
A pizza.
A pizza.
There's
A
a lot of
nice,
fruit.
tasty
Yeah.
pizza!
There's a lot of fruit. There's a lot of meat on top of the continents. What do you think that is?
That is the toppings.
The topping.
The toppings.
You are pizza topping. The government doesn't want you to know this.
The grass, the cheese, the clouds, sauce.
It's
We've been
all
lied to.
pizza!
Well, in conclusion, fellas, today I think that we learned... Actually, well, we already knew it. The Earth's flat.
We are just spreading the truth to people.
But what do you think? Let us know on our social medias.
Nice to see ya. We'll see you next time, people. Have fun watching the rest of the Patriot Podcast.